Hi legends, are you ready for another Maykey Kids read along? I am so excited to read the book Happy by Nicola Edwards and Katie Hickey. I used to read this book all the time and I'm so excited to read it again with you. Let's go. Mindfulness. Mindfulness is all about connecting with ourselves and the world around us. Let's take a journey together to discover some simple steps on the path to happiness. Real life is right under our noses. We can miss it by rushing around. But stopping to smell life's sweet roses is where true happiness can be found. Listening. When we're still, there is a space then to listen to the sweet song of wind in the trees, the gruff rumble of cars in the distance, or the whisper of rustling leaves. Take a moment to stop and really listen now to the sounds around you. You might hear some sounds outside. You might also hear some sounds inside. Feeling. Even the darkest storm passes. The sun can't shine bright every day. We can sit with our feelings and notice how they roll through us, then blow away. What kinds of things make you feel happy? When you're ready, you can draw a picture of them or even write them down. Relaxing. It's not just our minds we get trapped in. Our bodies can feel tension too. We can loosen our limbs when that happens. Like the sun from the clouds, we break through. Try tensing up all of your muscles right now, and then try relaxing them one by one. Start with one of your arms, release the arm. Now release the other arm. Release one of your legs, release one of the other legs. Now release the rest of the muscles in your body. And notice how it feels like you're breaking through, like the sun through the clouds. Tasting. Whether hot, salty, sweet, or sour flavor, we taste and we chew and we feel. If we slow when we eat, we can savor the deliciousness of every meal. Do you notice different textures and flavors when you chew your food slowly? If you notice that you're just gobbling it all up, remind yourself to slow down and notice the different flavors. Touching. Touch calms the wildest emotions. We connect to the world all around. When we dip our toes into the ocean or crunch crisp golden leaves on the ground. Close your eyes and see if you can tell what things are just by touching them. Discovering. Exploring is one of life's pleasures. Spot a penny, a shell, or a rook. The world's brimming with curious treasures from the people who take time to look. So be one of those people. Look all around you and try to spot something that you haven't noticed before. And that's something that you can try and do every single day. Smelling. When we're all tangled up in our worries, the cool air gets us grounded again. Wood smoke through the sharp tang of pine trees or the freshness of earth after rain. Do the things you can smell make you feel anything or bring back any memories? I know that lots of smell bring back great memories for me. Loving, one of my favorite things. The warmth of a hug can work wonders. Being happy is something you feed. With a smile or a touch or a kindness, even the tallest tree grows from a seed. Have you given someone a smile or a hug today? If you haven't, pause the video and go do it right now. Appreciating. It feels good to give thanks at the day's end for the pink blushing sky overhead, a hot meal, comfy shoes, or a good friend, and the warmth of a soft, cozy bed. What good things have happened in your world today? Just take a moment to think about today and the good things that have happened. Breathing, one of our favorite things at Maykey Kids. We breathe deep and expand like the galaxy. We breathe out many thousands of stars. And if we ever start to feel panicky, this reminds us of who we are. Take a deep breath into the base of the lungs. Hold it for 2 seconds. And then breathe out through the mouth slowly. Breathing in and out those stars. Happiness. Real life is right under our noses. It's what's here, not the future or past. Every day is a fresh new adventure. Now we live in the moment at last. How can you be more mindful each and every day? This incredible book has lots of ideas and skills for you to do just that. And that's why it's one of my favorites. Thanks for reading along with me, legends, and I'll see you soon.